the revolution will happen. It is bound to happen. Just be a part of that. Thank you.
Thank you, Hiram. Exactly whatever Hiram said, that's what we are doing as BSUF. You saw it in the skit, you heard it from Hiram's mouth. The only thing that I require from you people is, you might be having some friends back home, you must be having some relatives back home, some neighbor, someone. Just give the website's link to them. It will be useful to someone or his friend. That's the only motive, and that's why we are inviting you people to this function, and that's the reason why we had a skit and why we heard to Hiram right now. Now moving away from BSUS propaganda, let us go back to the function again. Now we have a musical function by the group Saptakam, and this group Saptakam was actually a group which was formed by few people just because they were loving music a lot, and now it is a full-fledged musical group of 20 to 25 people. Today we are going to have, we already heard Shireen from the group, and you must have got an idea how good the group is in terms of potential. Now we will have the rest of the members performing for us one by one. Let us welcome them with a round.
लाइट्स ऑन करो, लाइट्स ऑन करो, लाइट्स लाइट्स।
Warm greeting to one and all. I, on behalf of Saptakam, will present this 20 minutes program, and just start with a patriotic song. हो जाओ तैयार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार, हो जाओ तैयार।
आप लग पीछे लास्ट पेटिन लैपटॉप తీసుకుంటారు।
अगर देश के काम आए तो जीवन बेकार, तो जीवन बेकार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार साथियों।
चल
सोचने का समय गया, उठो लिखो इतिहास नया। सोचने का समय गया, उठो लिखो इतिहास नया। बंसी पे गोर उठा लो, हाथों में हथियार, हाथों में हथियार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार, हो जाओ तैयार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार। तूफानी गति रुके नहीं, शीश कटे पर झुके नहीं। तूफानी गति रुके नहीं, शीश कटे पर झुके नहीं। तने हुए माथे के आगे ठहर न पाती हार, ठहर न पाती हार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार, हो जाओ तैयार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार। गूंज उठे धरती अंबर और उठाओ ऊंचा स्वर, गूंज उठे धरती अंबर और उठाओ ऊंचा
So, okay, with this song, the two songs we performed, actually the group name is called Saptakam. Here, with the help of many of enthusiasts, music enthusiasts, they have started the one group called Saptakam, and everybody from you as well are welcome to join that group. It's a music enthusiast. It's not, you should not be professional and all these things, but just if you are interested in music or even listening to the music, they are going to practice on every second Saturday of the part. I guess the next meeting is on the next Saturday. We had just meeting on 25th of January itself. So there is a website saptakam.pbwiki.com. So please come and join that. The next part we are providing, just listen to it.
डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे बसंती चोला।
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश के यारों, इस देश के यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश के यारों, इस देश के यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो